Great morning everyone. Today our topic is chapter 2 relation and function from the class 11. Now in this chapter we will discuss about the three topics. Our first topic will be Cartesian product of sets, second relation and third will be function. Today we will discuss about the Cartesian product of sets. To start the topic of before starting the topic of Cartesian product, it is must you have to knowledge of the sets. So we which we have discussed in our previous class about the set very well. Now we will start from the Cartesian product of sets. In the Cartesian product there will be the elements in the ordered pair, because Cartesian product is also a set in which we will take the elements in the form of ordered pair from set P to Q. There will be two sets. These two sets may be anything. I am taking it as P and Q, and both the sets should be non-empty. Both the sets should be non-empty. Then in the Cartesian product we will take their ordered pair. Now look here, relation and function. There will be three topics which we discuss in this chapter. First is Cartesian product of set, second is relation and third is function. In the Cartesian product, it is a set. The first necessary thing will be both the sets should be non-empty. Now is a set of ordered pair from P to Q. I am taking two sets as P and Q. So in the Cartesian product, P cross Q means this showing the Cartesian product is equal to the ordered pair will be like this, P comma Q. The element P will be from the set, first set P, and the second element small q should be from the set Q. In this way we will find their Cartesian product. Now we will discuss it about by taking example. Let us assume we are taking set P in which we are taking 3 or 2 elements. Let us take 3 elements in the set P, and in the set Q I am taking only 2 elements, it may be anything, and in their Cartesian product we will form the ordered pair from the first set to the second set like this. Let us take set P in which I am taking elements as 1, 2, 3, and in the set Q I am taking 4 and 5 as the element. Now in their cross product the elements will be of the form 1, 4 means first element from the set P and second element from the set Q, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4 and 3, 5. Thus it will be our Cartesian product. Now if we have to take the Cartesian product from Q to P, then the order will be changed. Firstly we will take the element from the set Q, then we will take element from the set P. So it will be 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 3 and 5, 3. In this way we can make the Cartesian product. Now in case of ordered pair, if we have given 2 ordered pair are equal, so 2 ordered pair will be equal only when their corresponding elements are equal. Means the first element of the first ordered pair will be equal to the first element of the second ordered pair, and same as the second element of our first ordered pair will be equal to second element of our second ordered pair. Then only we will say both the ordered pairs are equal. Let's talk about exercise questions. In the question number first of exercise 2.1, we have given two ordered pair that there is a equal sign between them and we have to find from them the value of x and y. The first ordered pair have elements x divided by 3 plus 1, and the second element of the first ordered pair is y minus 2 divided by 3. And the second ordered pair whose elements are 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Both the ordered pair are equal and we have to find the value of x. So we will equate their first element and their second element and then we will find the value of x and y. So x divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 divided by 3. Then from here we will take plus 1 on the right hand side and then we will take LCM in the right hand side. It will be 5 minus 3. So our next step will be x divided by 3 is equal to 2 divided by 3. Both the 3 will be cancelled out and the value of x becomes 2. In the same way, we will find the value of y. Y minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 3. So the value of y become 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Then we will take the LCM. It will become 1 plus 2 means 3 by 3, that is 1. In this way we will find the value of x and y. Both the ordered pairs are equal. So we will equate their first element and their second element. Then by the simple calculation we will find the value of x and y. Now come on the question number second of NCERT. In the question number second we have given in the set A there are 3 elements and in the set B the elements are given. The set A the elements are not given. The only thing is there are 3 elements but the elements are not given, and in the set B the elements are 3, 4 and 5. Then we can easily count them. Set A has 3 elements. In this form we will write the number of elements in set A, and the set B whose elements are 3, 4 and 5. We have to find the number of element in A cross B. Number of element in A cross B. So the method to find the number of element in their Cartesian product is we will take the number of element in set A and multiply by number of element in set B. It is given number of element in set A are 3 and number of element in set B we can count it easily. These are also 3 and 3 multiplied by 3 it will be 9. So in the Cartesian product of set A and B there will be 9 elements. In this way we can easily count the number of elements in the Cartesian product of 2 sets. Now in the question number 3 we have to given 2 set. In the question number 3 we have given 2 set. Set G have elements 7, 8 and set H have elements 5, 4 and 2. 5, 4 and 2. And we have to find the number of elements of Cartesian product, means we have to represent Cartesian product of G and H. So we will take their ordered pair, first element from the set G and second from H. First from G, second from H. Continuously we will take the ordered pair 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 2. So there will be 6 elements in their Cartesian product. Same as we can find H cross G. In H cross G, we will just reverse their order as we discussed in the previous question. Now, in the next question, there is just true or false. You will do it yourself. So, this is the way to find the Cartesian product of sets. Okay, thank you.